Hey guys, and today we're gonna be playing Rivals, but um assault rifle only. Let's just get into it. 1v1, 1v1. Oh, let's do ranked now, cause like last video I kind of left on accident. And now I can't play it, but now I can. Hopefully there aren't any hackers. Hopefully no hackers. We can do this, guys. We can do this. I believe in you guys. If you subscribe right now, then I'll probably win it. I might have a cold. Bro, why do I keep going against these guys? I think I'm probably gonna get so cooked, but like, you gotta try your best. Nope. No do that. Let's go. Wait, where's the assault rifle? Where the heck is the assault rifle? Oh, right there. Let's go. Bro, I hope he doesn't use freeze ray, because I'm just... Bro, what? Bro, why he going so high? Bro. This is so... What? How can... What does he have that makes him bounce that high? Bro, don't be mean. My subscribers are better than you, bro. So don't be like that. Oh, shoot. Oh, holy. I think I might have more aimbot. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh my gosh, I'm literally losing so bad. Let's go, let's do this, let's do this. That was easy. I wish he did that every round. I have so much better aimbot than him. Oh my gosh. I only had 3 health. Oh my gosh, that's actually crazy. Don't call it a comeback. Oh my. Oh. Oh shoot. Bro. Let's go, guys. I'm doing this for you. See? If you sub, then I win. Let's go. Hold up. Hold on. Is he going around? Yes, he is going around. What? Oh, let's go. What was he even using? Where's my assault rifle? It isn't even there. Let's go, guys. Yeah. Guys, if you subscribe again, then I will win again. My bad. Sorry. I'm so sorry. There are new game modes every few days. Okay. Let's do this. What's best? I think it might be... Oh no! No, I didn't mean to press that. Oh my gosh. Bro, I don't know where. No sniper. Wait. No katana either. Nice. Doody do that. Bop, bop. What? Bro, what? Does this guy have more aimbot? I think he might. He probably does. Where is... Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. Let's go. I didn't think I even got him that many times. Bro, I have full health. He only took away 5. Bro, what is he doing? Is he trying to be slick or something? Because it isn't working on me. I already have supernova. Wait, no. Not on my normal things. What? Let's go. I'm doing this for you guys. Since you subscribe, then I'm winning it for you. I'm winning it for you. Next, after this round, I'm doing a 2v2. What? Oh no, I didn't hit him on that. Holy shoot. I don't even know where he is. How did he think that was gonna work? I've dealt more damage than him. No, guys, look at the leaderboard. It doesn't look like it's going well for him. Holy shoot. Shoot, 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 shoot. Shoot. Wait, does he have the knife or something? Bro, what is he doing? What is he trying to... Oh my gosh. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, 2v2s now. 2v2s. I'm doing this like in the morning. In the morning. Bro, it's gonna say duel disconnected. That's literally what it always says. Always. 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 What it always is. Redeem code boost. Where? Where? Where do you redeem code boost? Bro. Guess I'm going in here. Gonna see if I can hit that cool sniper shot. Where's the thing? Oh. Oh my gosh. Mm. Wait, no! Shoot, I accidentally didn't press rank. It's okay. It's okay. I didn't press rank. Oh, shoot. My fault, guys. My fault. Sorry, guys. God. Where are they? Guys, don't. Guys, just. Oh. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. I'm winning it for you. Bro, why are they being so mean? Oh, shoot. Oh, my gosh. Bro, double teamed. I'm gonna get the sniper boy first. Bro, he's moving. Bro, I need a better teammate, bro. This guy, he disconnected, guys. It's just me. Bro, I see. Oh my, bro, I don't like this. Bro, he had the sniper out and the slingshot out. How is that supposed to work? Boing, boing, what? Bro! Oh my. Bro, I'm going against the level 154 guy. How's that supposed to work? Bro, see guys, I got 5-0'd with one. I only had one teammate, bro. I'm leaving and doing ranked, bro. Hopefully these people are better at ranked. Guys, just so you know, I love you guys because I've been a content creator for not even a year, and I'm already at, when I get to 50 subscribers, I can do a live stream, and then you guys might be able to join me, you know? So you can be on a live stream with me. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. All right. Let's do this. Where, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I am so cooked right now. Where are they? Oh, I might get this. Whoa. Oh. Sorry, mate. Oh, I feel so bad for the bacon here. Kind of. But he literally has a suit. He's super good. So, I don't really feel that bad. I got you, bro. I'm trying to say. Oh, wait, what? What did he even shoot? No, don't do that. We don't want to be toxic. Don't you hate those dancing bacons? Whoa. Oh my gosh. What? Bro, the bacon disconnected. I don't even have any kills. So she's probably gonna be in the front. Bro, stop teabagging. That isn't nice. I just hate when people do that. I just feel sad. Bro, I didn't even get damaged. Yay, I think I got him. I'm not teabagging though. I just jumped on his body. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, you missed me. Miss me, miss me. Now you gotta kiss me. Just kidding. No, come on, bacon hair person. That is so not nice. Remember. Pappy Santos? Wait. Limited time. Limit. Any spot. Cool. Let's go. I'm trying to get more subscribers than my friend. And he has like 30 subscribers. He's getting closer to 50 subscribers. I guess my team already did all that. Who has a paintball gun in ranked? What is this? What? Bro, what? I do not understand any of this. What? Okay. Found him, found him, found him, found him, found him, found him. Buddy, you want? Bro, I feel like I was kind of getting double teamed. Bro, he has a med kit. He's probably like level 100 something, bro. Get him, 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 get him. Bro, that RPG, bro. That RPG. How did you miss that? Guys, tell me how he missed that. I'm about to get 5-0'd by Bronzies. Bro, I'm so cooked. I can't. Bro, we are so cooked. Bro, we aren't even gonna win a round. Just gotta hit him one more time. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Guys, if you want me to do a video with only RPGs, then I can do it. I can do it. Get him, get him, get him. Oh my gosh. They noticed me for. Look behind. Oh. Don't use the exo gun. Oh my god. He's so dumb. He's literally waiting it out so he can win. Guys, do you even see him? What? I'm at the bottom of the leaderboard. Oh my gosh. That isn't how you shoot a RPG, bro. Wait, yes. Poppy Santos. He's at full percentage. Get him! Let's go. Get him! Let's go. We might actually win this. Bro! Use RPG! Oh my gosh, what is this guy thinking? Look. Wait. Wait, I'm just gonna stay here. No. Oh! Let's go. Wait, I think that actually worked super good. Oh shoot, I am so cooked. Oh. Come on, bro. I believe in you. I believe in you. You can't. Bro. The only why he's at top of the leaderboard is he has RPG and that does like 50 damage every time it hits somewhere near you. Guys, this is our outpost. Guys, get him. Guys, get him. Please, bro. Get him. Let's go. We might beat them. We might. I'm not saying we will. It might be why, cause what? Come on, man. Yeah. Yes. Oh my gosh. Can I actually do this? Good job. Let's go. One more hit on him. Oh my gosh. Sudden death. I can't believe we actually made it to this point. After this, then I gotta go, right? You guys are gonna probably see this on Easter. Oh my gosh, what? No! What? No! Drats! Alright guys, this is gonna be the end of the video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to, hold on. I think I have something. Hold on. Crap. Oh, that actually looks super cool. Alright guys, this is it. Remember to like and subscribe and comment if you liked the video. And so, bye. Love you guys. Hope we hit that 50 subscribers mark.